don't know how well you can see this. This is a kippah in Hebrew, or a yarmulke in Yiddish. It's the skull cap that's traditionally worn by Jewish males, especially when they're praying. And this particular kippah, if you can see, it has a tree, a black tree with white leaves on it, with a purple background. And this kippah actually comes from Uganda. The Jewish community in Uganda is a very special community. And after the synagogue shooting that we had in October 2018 here in Pittsburgh, the Ugandan Jewish community decided to rename themselves the Tree of Life Kampala, Uganda community, in honor of the Tree of Life synagogue building where the shooting took place, and to demonstrate connections, different people, diverse populations, but a single connection. And so I received this handmade kippah from them, and I was just really touched how in times like today, where we are living in pretty tumultuous times, where we hear a lot about the things that divide us, the lines that separate us, how different we are from one another because of our political opinions, because of our ethnic background, because of our nationalities. These are really artificial lines. I think if we want to create a society or encourage our society to focus more on what unites us than what divides us, then really the way to do it is to talk to people, to get to know people who we might not know very well. When it comes down to it, there's more that connects us and unites us than what divides us. When we're going through tough times, there are people who care about us and are feeling connected to us and want to be with us. So sometimes it's the small things in life that bring up some of those larger messages. Just wanted to share that today.